I've arrived at my brother-in-law's paper mill. We're going to go and see how they make this craft paper. They sell it in these big rolls to wholesale industries. We're going to package it up for retail. Let's go and have a look. This is the cardboard that we put in our recycling that gets used here as the raw material. The cardboard is then mixed with really hot water and crushed into a pulp. Any plastic elements are taken out by being filtered through a sieve. The purified pulp is then passed through these pipes and taken to large storage tanks below the floor, where it is held before being moved on to the production process. The pulp is then moved along through these pipes and taken down to the production line, where it gets turned into paper. The purified pulp is then mixed with water and laid thinly onto the production line. The water is then pulled out from the bottom as the pulp moves along the conveyor, and you will see towards the end it is actually getting drier. Also, at this point, the bottom layer meets a top layer that's been through a similar process to create a 2-ply sheet. The paper then moves through a press where any remaining moisture is removed. Moisture that is removed from the paper is then reused again in the process. The paper is then passed through the final part of the drying process, where it's passed over these heated drums that fully dry the paper and remove all moisture. Okay, so we're at Nagmati Papers. This is Munna, who manages the whole factory that we've just seen. They have a full recycling process. 100% recycled material is imported, and any waste is recycled again into the system. And they're opening a new factory next door for higher quality paper, and they export all over the world to wholesalers for packaging. We're trying to cross the road.